Hello guys, this is Rosen here and welcome to my YouTube channel Code Decode. So in this video we are going to see how to customize your Termux app just like a pro user. So let's get started. Open your Termux app. You will see the greetings and a bunch of stuff there which we will remove first. To remove that, just type the command cd ... and go one directory backward. Then just type the command cd user etc and we will be in etc directory. Now just type the command rem mott to remove mott file which contains all the stuff shown in our first screen. Now just open the new session and you will see now there is no more stuffs there. All the stuffs are removed and our terms look quite pretty. Now just open our first session and type the command pkg install figlet. This will install Figlet in our Termux app. Since Figlet is successfully installed, now we will open the bash.bashrc file using the command nano bash.bashrc. This is the file which is executed when we first open our Termux app. Here we at the bottom of the line we will type the command figlet -tc and whatever we want to show in our home screen of Termux app. Just like I want to show code decode. Here I have typed code decode and save it using Ctrl and O and Ctrl and X to exit it. Now you can see by opening our new session we can see we have successfully added code decode in our Termux home screen. Now to add more stuff below the code decode, just open the first session and again type the command nano bashrc and below the figlet command just type the command echo quotes and whatever you want to show. Just like I want to show internet solutions. Now save the file using Ctrl and O command and exit using Ctrl and X. Now open the new session again and you can see we have successfully added internet solutions below the code decode and it looks quite awesome.